Have you ever experienced these symptoms and just shrugged them off? We're about to delve into a crucial topic, one that concerns the very lifeline of our existence, our heart. It's easy to dismiss certain signs as trivial, but they may be your body's way of signaling a potential heart problem. It's absolutely essential to pay heed to these indicators and consult a medical professional. Dismissing them could have grave consequences. These are the symptoms we're going to discuss today. Firstly, let's talk about chest discomfort. It's the most common sign of heart danger. It may feel like pressure, squeezing, fullness, or pain in the center of your chest, lasting for a few minutes or going away and coming back. Next, consider discomfort in other areas of your body. This could feel like pain or discomfort in one or both arms, the back, neck, jaw, or stomach. It may seem unrelated, but your heart, being the body's powerhouse, can send signals of distress to other areas. Lastly, shortness of breath. This can often come with or without chest discomfort. You might feel like you've run a marathon, even though you haven't made a move. It's your heart struggling to pump oxygen-rich blood to your muscles and tissues. These are the first three signs. Let's move on to the next ones. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health tips. Take a moment to recognize the benefits of subscribing to our channel. Your support fuels our mission to deliver vital health insights. Our content is centered on your well-being and aims to inform and empower. Subscribe to our channel with a single click, more enlightening videos. Stay connected, stay informed, and remember, knowledge is power. Now return to understanding your heart's signals. Symptom 4 is quite common. Lightheadedness. This isn't your everyday dizziness that you might experience after standing up too quickly. It's a persistent feeling of being unsteady, as if you might faint. This could be due to a decrease in blood flow to the brain, often a result of a heart issue. Moving on to symptom 5, cold sweats. This isn't your typical perspiration from a hot day or intense workout. It's a sudden, cold sweat that seems to come from nowhere, leaving you clammy and uncomfortable. This can be your body's way of signaling that your heart is struggling to work correctly. Finally, symptom 6, unusual fatigue. We all feel tired from time to time, but if you're feeling constantly worn out, even after a good night's sleep, it could be a sign of an underlying heart problem. It's your body's way of telling you that your heart might not be pumping blood as efficiently as it should be. Now we have discussed 6 symptoms. Let's continue with the rest. The 7th symptom is one you might not associate with your heart: nausea or lack of appetite. It's not uncommon to feel a bit queasy or lose your desire to eat when your heart isn't functioning at its best. This is because your body might be trying to conserve energy, or perhaps there's a disruption in blood flow to your digestive system. Moving on, let's talk about the 8th symptom, an irregular heartbeat. Now, everyone's heart might skip a beat or flutter from time to time, but if you notice a persistent change in your heart's rhythm, it might be a sign of arrhythmia, a condition that can lead to serious heart complications. Lastly, for this segment, we have swollen feet and ankles. This swelling, known medically as edema, can occur when your heart is unable to pump blood effectively, causing fluids to accumulate in your body's tissues. We have 3 more symptoms to discuss. Our 10th symptom is sudden weight gain. Now this isn't a pound or 2 that can fluctuate daily, but a gain of 3 or more pounds in a single day. This could be due to fluid retention, a common sign of heart failure. You might feel bloated, and your clothes may feel tight. Moving on to our 11th and final symptom, persistent coughing or wheezing. This is not your typical seasonal allergy cough, but a chronic dry cough that lingers. It could be due to fluid buildup in the lungs, another potential sign of heart disease. You might find yourself wheezing, struggling for breath, or feeling like you can't get enough air. Now let's take a moment to recap all the symptoms we've discussed. We started with chest discomfort and shortness of breath, moved on to pain or discomfort in other areas of the body, then to feeling dizzy or lightheaded. We've spoken about jaw or throat pain, unusual fatigue, and swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet. And finally, we've discussed sudden weight gain and persistent coughing or wheezing. Each of these symptoms, alone or together, could indicate a heart problem. They may seem ordinary or unrelated, but when it comes to your heart, it's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, if you experience any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Seek medical attention immediately. It could save your life. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. Subscribe to our channel. It's free and supports our content creation. Your health is your wealth. Subscribe now.